No idea about how to use the clipping mask feature in Procreate? Then this video is for you. Hi everyone, it's Arini from Edge Matters, and today I'm doing a video on how to use clipping mask, which is a really important feature that you will use often in the future. This was a well requested video, so I am excited to finally be filming it today for you all. I'm going to show you how to add more details to the planets in our space illustration. Also, we will group the layers to make the illustration more organized. As you know, this is our 9th series. Tap the eye icon on the top right corner in case if you are interested in learning how to start with Procreate app. Also, you can check out those videos on my YouTube channel and I will link that down below in the description. So before we get started, I wanted to let you all know that Procreate is a digital art app, so download them to follow alongside me, and then let's get started with the video. At the moment we have 4 planets with the alpha lock feature enabled. Now I'm going to show you clipping mask feature which is similar to alpha lock, but sometimes it can be more convenient. I will create some hollows to the pink planet using the clipping mask feature. Create a new layer above the pink planet, call it hollow. Pick the dark pink color and make it darker. Select the pen brush from the brush library. Decrease the size a bit and draw some spots like this along the planet, like this. Now I want to add borders inside the hollow shape which will be lighter. So pick the main color and move this little circle to the lighter pink color. If I just draw like this, the lines go outside the hollow shape. I want them only inside. So here comes the clipping mask feature that plays an important role, and I'm gonna do it differently. Create a new layer above the hollow, click on it and find the clipping mask feature, select it, and now if I draw on this layer, the line will appear only inside of this shape of the hollow layer. Let's add borders to all the holes. Now see what happens if I disable the clipping mask. All the lines become visible. Enable it again. Everything looks good. Now to add some more volume to these shapes, I will add some highlights near them. Pick the light pink color. We want to add light above the hollow layer. So select the pink planet group and create a layer above hollow layer. It should appear above the hollow layers. Now draw highlighted lines opposite side of borders like this. Do it for every hollow shape. Done. So now we have this amount of layers for our pink planet. So you can see that hollow border layer we have an arrow icon, which means clipping mask enable on it. If we hide the hollow layer, the borders will hide as well. Let's select all the layers that are related to the pink planet. Click group and name this group pink. Now we can minimize and see that is well organized. Let's add some decoration to the purple planet. Create a new layer and enable the clipping mask feature. Now select this color from the palette. I will use the paint texture brush. Adjust the brush size. If you want it's too thick now, decrease the size. Add a line here. Make it thinner. Add another line and a couple more here. Add few more thin lines like this. Check out how it looks if we disable the clipping mask. Enable it again, and now everything inside of this planet. Again select these two layers. Group, rename it purple. And finally we need to add some details to this blue planet. Create a new layer and enable clipping mask. Open brushes panel. Go to spray paint and select flicks brush. Pick the dark blue color. Make it darker. That's what the brush looks like. Decrease the size and spread it on the planet. See how it looks if we disable clipping mask. We added some texture outside of the planet, but with the clipping mask you can see the result. Select these two layers and group them blue. And lastly we need to add some details to the orange planet. Again create a new layer, enable clipping mask, open brush library, go to abstract, select this brush, and it's the default brush come with Procreate. Then pick the planet color, make it darker and spread it around the planet. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful, and do the project, that is to create hollows and some highlights to the planets. Add a pattern to the purple and orange planet. Add details to the blue planet. If you have any questions, I will try to answer any of them below. But as usual, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you on my next video. Thank you.